also run Facebook lead ads, you regularly receive many leads. But the real challenge starts after receiving the leads. You need to check the leads, save them somewhere, follow up with them quickly, and share the lead details with your team. Now imagine doing all of this manually after every lead. It becomes time consuming, and sometimes you might even miss the important leads. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can efficiently manage your Facebook leads with automation. So let's get started. For that, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser to open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can connect up to 100 of applications, or you can say create up to 100 of automations for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And this discount coupon code is just for you. Okay, so now we're on the dashboard, and what you have to do, you have two options. You can create the workflow from scratch or using the AI workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to use the AI workflow builder. So let's open this create using AI. Now I'm just going to simply enter my details, like I want to add Facebook leads to sheets. Okay, so this is the thing I want to do. So I have just type, and yes, it is saying, did you mean any one of this? So yes, I meant Facebook lead ads. And now it is saying what Facebook lead ads trigger should start this workflow. So it is new lead instance. So I've selected the same. For Google Sheets, I want to add a new row. So I've selected the same. It is saying ready to create this workflow. So let's click on this approve and create. And then yes, this workflow is created successfully. So let's open this workflow. Now you can see this workflow is created right over here. We just have to connect an application and we are good to go. So I only connected Sheets. You can add your CRM, send Slack messages to your team, send WhatsApp messages to your leads, send email to your leads. You just have to describe that in the prompt and automatically the workflow will be created for you. So once this workflow is created, let's just connect our applications. So open this Facebook lead ads, and now what you have to do, you just have to click on this connect button. Now go on this add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Now what you have to do is you have to make sure that your Facebook account is logged in before starting with the automation. If not, first log in and then click on this continue button. Once you're going to click on this continue button, your Facebook lead ads will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you just have to select your page name and the form using which you're collecting the lead details. So the name of my page is Digital Dynamics, as you can see over here. So I am just going to select the same page name, which is Digital Dynamics. So let's just search for Digital Dynamics and select it. After we select the page name, we have to select the lead gen form. So it is saying no options found. If you also get some problem like this, you just have to click on this refresh fields and the options will appear. Then you have to select the lead form for which you want to create this automation over here. Now you have to select the response format as simple and click on this save and send test request. Now once you click on the save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you have to create a test lead. For that, just open your lead ads testing tool. You just have to get this URL, and this is attached in the description box below. You can directly click on the URL and you're going to open this lead ads testing tool. Now you have to select the same page, same form which is selected in your workflow. Select the product as lead retrieval and click on this preview form. Once you click on this preview form, we have to fill in this form as test lead. So it is saying what services are you interested in. So I'm just going to select it as social media marketing. Now for the full name, I've entered demo user. This is the email, which is demo@pabblytudes.com. The phone number and the company name is this. Now let's just click on this continue and submit, and we have successfully submitted this form. So let's open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here as the webhook response. So let's just wait, and you're going to see Pabbly has successfully captured the details. So we're going to add these details in our Google Sheets. Over here, I'm just going to show you my Google Sheets. I'm just going to add the details right over here. So to add these details, let's just close this and go on this Google Sheets and click on this connect. Once again, if you haven't connected your Google Sheets, go on this add a new connection and then sign in with Google. If you have already created this connection prior, you can click on this select existing connection and save. Now what you have to do, you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. After you select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now after creating this connection, you just have to select your spreadsheet and the sheet. So select the spreadsheet and the sheet in which you want to add the details and then one by one add the details. But over here's a hack that you don't have to add these details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map these details. So what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one we're going to map all the details right over here. So let's just search for the details and map the details over here. After we enter these details, what we have to do, click on this save and send test request. Noticing the details are added in our Google Sheets. So let's just open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details are added. Not only this, but now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, instantly the details will be added in my Google Sheets. Further, if you want, you can add these details in your CRM. You can send your lead automated WhatsApp messages, emails or SMS. Not only this, you can notify your team about the same on Slack, Google Chat, Discord, Microsoft Teams and much more. Multiple video tutorials dedicated on Facebook lead ads are there on a YouTube channel. You can refer to them and automate your Facebook leads today. So go and try amazing automation today because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. And then further, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button for more automation tips and tutorials. To subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.